Chief Minister Nongthaman Birain claims Union Home Minister Amit Saha called him this morning and assured of extending inner-line permit system, ILP system in Manipur. NEFIP President cum Manpeg spokesperson Ningthauja Lancha says promise of extending inner-line permit system in Manipur is mere tactic to sideline ongoing CAB protest. Union Home Minister Amit Saha introduces Citizenship Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha amidst uproar by the opposition members. And first day of Manpeg's 50-hour cease work strike against passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill cripples normal life in Manipur. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandaram presenting you the Monday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Chief Minister Nongthaman Birain has disclosed that Union Home Minister Amit Saha called him this morning and assured that inner-line permit system, ILP system, which is even more powerful than the Manipur People Bill, will be implemented in Manipur. He was speaking on the sideline of an inspection visit to solid waste management plant in Lamdeng today. Chief Minister Nongthaman Birain said that the Union Home Minister's move is the result of the joint efforts of various civil society organizations, public and the state government. He expressed pride that Narendra Modi and Amit Saha-led BJP government is implementing the inline permit system in Manipur, which the previous government has utterly failed to do so.
Parliament Salakanda, Manipur Pumba, Manipur gi Praja Lak Kaya Sina, Sahi Kaya Sumna Laur Lakpa, Ikogi indigenous population, Kanjunabagi, Adugumba ILP, or Masiga Manaba, or Maduki Damaka Manipur People's Bill, Samdana Assembly the past Oki Badutaki, Hena Kanba, Hena fully protected Toba, already Ekogi Mizoram, Tribal State, Nagaland, Nasingbada, Sanadana Leraba ILP. Manipur extend Toragani, Haidana Laukoni, Aduna.
On the other hand, NEFIP President cum Manpeg spokesperson Ningthauja Lancha termed Chief Minister Nongthaman Birain's disclosure that Union Home Minister Amit Saha has called him about implementing inner-line permit system in Manipur as mere tactic to sideline the ongoing protest of Citizenship Amendment Bill. Taking part in the protest demonstration carried out by women vendors of temporary market today, Ningthauja Lancha said there is no security in the assurance and added that Manpeg will continue protesting of Citizenship Amendment Bill. He appealed to people not to trust in the Chief Minister's verbal assurance until and unless they are converted into actions.
It is too much. Yam henmali, yam watmali. Let the bill pass. Manipur ki damang ta akan naba bill lama amuk pass tor kitchen parliament till that day. Adugi numit to baudi mayam handa pongi batai. According nam tak to bayaro. Aduna mayam chuhara over pondok pigino. Mado tashen makanga kanda pondok pio. I want the tashen mak mase achoba miyangi ho was it tugai naba ano bala number two odam bayai. I want the ponama toraga ponduna hecta Amit Saha. I want the ponama toraga madu chanani haga koinungai pamtok chumi achumbo oishano. Manipur ki but howji chatari ba howji ta hogdangai madugi bill do thogle e pass tore haibodo ai ba che oina nataga miyam na mani India gi parliament na madu approve tore haiba kan du da main pack na miyam da haijarake adu phawdi ai khoi gi khongjang che hanba nai da changchen chi haida miyam da.
Union Home Minister Amit Saha today introduced the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in the Lok Sabha amidst uproar by the opposition member. Home Minister Amit Saha said that the bill is not against the minorities. There was a massive uproar in the lower house over the introduction of the bill. Indian National Congress MP of West Bengal, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, opposed the introduction, saying it is regressive. He said it is nothing but a targeted legislation over minority people of our country. Responding to which, Home Minister Amit Shah said that the bill is only introduced in the House and that there is no need for discussing the contents of the bill at the moment. He said that he will answer all the questions when the bill is being discussed, but urged the oppositions to not walk out from the House then. Amit Shah assured the House and the country that CAB does not violate any article of the Constitution. Manpek's 50-hour ceased work strike since this morning against passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill, which was introduced in the Lok Sabha today, crippled normal life in Manipur. Business transactions come to a standstill as all the major markets of the state like the Khwaeramban, Pauna and Thangal Kaithel and many markets of every district remained shut down. Roads bore deserted looks except for a few vehicles plying on emergency. Although government educational institutions were opened, attendance of students was nilled. Oil pumps and banks also remain closed. State police and central paramilitary forces are being deployed at strategic locations to avoid any untoward incidents. Manpek's 50-hour ceased work strike against passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill also crippled normal life in Jiribam district market. Educational institutions remained shut down and roads bore deserted look. Members of Manpek Jiri blocked roads in agitation. Jiribam police are on strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents. Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on members of Old Manipur Bar Association joining agitations against Citizenship Amendment Bill. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Monday Afternoon News. Members of Old Manipur Bar Association, Amba, also carried out protest demonstration in front of Chairap Court Complex today against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the state. Speaking to media, Amba President Maibamt Neela Chandra termed the bill as a threat to the indigenous people of Northeast states, especially Manipur, as the state is not sealed under any protective clause. He warned that implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill will distort the state.
Citizenship Amendment Bill ji yamna mangjagado jaga ji akoi North Eastern da laiba state khara Assam gumba Manipur Tripura sugumba khara dani ataidi mai protection loi leijai aduga atopa India gi laiba state singjadi sigi yamna mangna bagi machak irei leite madi hen harau ba group ni Northern India da laiba Punjab Haryana Rajasthan kai kai laiba myam ji Citizenship Amendment Bill ji moidi hen pamjabani ana moigi laiba MP myam ji moina pukhalakpa myam duni hoji leije sigi amendment bill jina mangjagado je North Eastern da laiba akoi si khaktani haibagi wafam duni akoi da thamjeji aduna adugi mayoktani akoi na ngasi legal fraternity da laiba akoi singjina akoi protest tawjari.
Extending solidarity to the initiatives of Manpek against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in Manipur, volunteers of Old Manipur Students' Union (AMSU) carried out protest demonstration by chanting various slogans in front of the Kangla Gate today. Manipur police personnel battled with the agitators to end the protest. Speaking to media, President of AMSU Imphal West District, Thokchom Basanta, strongly opposed implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill in Manipur. He warned the government to bear the risks of all negative consequences if Citizenship Amendment Bill is ever passed in the parliament. Thokchom Basanta declared that AMSU will extend full solidarity to all the initiatives of Manpek against the contentious bill.
Tasengna iramda Manipur sida illegal migrants singi akan basafu leiringai mitu miran chasingi makhutagi iramda masigi furuba sibu kanana bagi damakta 1980 dagi hauna go back foreigner have issue the all Manipur Student Union AMSU na iho sangsinduna lakhrabani central government na Manipur da mitu mayam khak sanghalakna bagi thoksil ama khak chatharak libasi AMSU na kaidong da yabang moi masimak North East amadi Manipur miyam gi aningba pam bagi mayoktani habasi AMSU na thamjari.
Continuing their protest of Citizenship Amendment Bill since last night, women vendors of Quaramban Temporary Market carried out protest demonstration this morning. Taking part in the protest, General Secretary of Panthoibi Shanakaithil Lup Kongdram Joymati Leima urged the state MPs to act as per the people's desire against the bill in the ongoing winter session of the parliament. She strongly opposed to granting of Indian citizenship to migrants by implementing the Citizenship Amendment Bill in Manipur.
Member temporary market sigi member singna ahing yarek tuna ngasi aikoi gi citizenship amendment bill 2019 la se sanaba puthok tuna December gi tang mapan jida puthok ne haibasida yaning de haibagi damakta aikoi na ahing yarek tuna family ba se masida aikoi di hanbalai tana masigi khongjang ase men pek pu saugat poina khoi ngasi khongjang ase sangsilli bani.
President of AMSU District Committee Jiribamb W. Dimocha said that the committee will also support NASHO's total shutdown in the northeast states from 3 a.m. till 6 p.m. tomorrow. Speaking to media at AMSU office in Babupara, Jiribam, he appealed to Maira Paibi's Association, students' organizations and civil society organizations to support the total shutdown. W. Dimocha added that the total shutdown will be relaxed for medical emergencies, religious events, and other essential services.
Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in Mayokta Northeast ki apunba Mahiri Single Loop Nation Northeast Pumbada Haying Lagliba December ki Tangtara 2019 asida total shutdown Latok Kibagi Matungina Jibam the Su December ki Tang Tara 2019 ki Ayuk Pung Ahum Dagi Numtil Pung Turp Power total shutdown Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019.
Now the sports news. Jamshedpur Football Club will lock horns with Chennai Football Club in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Jamshedpur's JRD Tata Sports Complex tonight at 7:30 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Hyderabad's GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium, Goa Football Club defeated Hyderabad Football Club 1-0. For the winners, Manvir Singh netted the lone winning goal at 68 minutes of the match. Indian Arrow will meet Aizawl Football Club in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Goa's Tilak Maidan tonight at 7 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Kalyani Stadium, Churchill Brothers defeated Mohan Bagan 4-2. For the winners, Willis Plaza netted 2 goals at 2nd and 36th minute, while Robert Primus and Radanfa Abu Bakr netted 1 goal each at 28 and 76th minute of the match. For the losing team, Francisco Javier's Gonzalez Munoz and Shubhas Ghosh score 1 goal each at 33rd and 90th minute of the match. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane claims Union Home Minister Amit Saha called him this morning and assured of extending inline permit system in Manipur. NEFIP President cum Manpeg spokesperson Ningtauja Lancha says promise of extending in-line permit system in Manipur is mere tactic to sideline ongoing Citizenship Amendment Bill protest. Union Home Minister Amit Saha introduces Citizenship Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha amidst uproar by the opposition members. And first day of Manpec's 50-hour cease work strike against passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill crippled normal life in Manipur.